Every new real estate investor wants to develop a multi-million-dollar real estate empire. Luckily, we'll show you how. How to invest in real estate and become a millionaire is probably on your mind. The beautiful thing about investing in real estate is that almost anyone can start investing and generate money without saving for a lifetime. So before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for future updates. With that out of the way, let's get started. Because real estate is a tangible asset, you may borrow money to fund your investments and expand your wealth. You can also save on taxes and keep more of your profits with real estate investing. These benefits make real estate investing easier than other investments to become a millionaire. Number 8. Stick with what you know. When you uncover a winning investing technique, be cautious about branching out into other areas and deals. Too many investors have lost a considerable portion of their capital by taking a significant risk on a project in an unknown location. Changes and going outside your comfort zone are required for growth, but not blindly. Once you've worked out how to become a millionaire in real estate, your success is based on your experience. Learning as much as you can about a new investment will help reduce risk. Number 7. Keep growing. The cash flow and equity from one property make it easier to buy another. Buying a second property makes buying a third property even easier. This trend repeats as you purchase more land. A more prominent real estate portfolio protects you from certain losses. Number 6. Trade up to more significant properties. The wealthiest real estate investors favor commercial or multi-family buildings. A 5% gain in value on a $1 million home will earn you far more than a 5% increase in value on a residential property. One of the significant tax advantages of real estate is delaying capital gains tax when selling a property or buying another. A 1031 exchange has many rules to follow. Still, the considerable tax savings will allow you to buy more profitable properties. Another option is to refinance your home and use the equity as a down payment on another property. This is a tactic you may repeatedly employ as your portfolio increases. Number 5. Grow your portfolio. You'll need to buy additional houses and properties with numerous units to become a millionaire in real estate. The first thing Grant Cardone, founder and CEO of Cardone Capital, stated when asked how to become a millionaire in real estate was, "Real estate isn't all created equal. Anyone who believes that buying single-family houses will make them a millionaire will be sorely disappointed. How many $40,000 residences do you think you'd have to buy to make $1 million? Residential real estate is the most straightforward and cost-effective method to get started, but becoming a millionaire will require more cash flow than rental homes can provide. This is why it's critical to go beyond your first rental property. In real estate, the number of units is the most crucial figure. Do the math. It's far easier to acquire a single property with 32 units than to buy a property that has 32 individual units. Increase the rent by $125 and you've added $1 million to your property's value while also generating cash flow. Number 4. Generate cash flow. After paying expenses and debt servicing, your properties should generate positive cash flow. As a result, the rental income will keep paying down the mortgage and building equity while still providing monthly payments. Your income grows in lockstep with the growth of your investment portfolio. You'll get closer to your objective of becoming a real estate millionaire each month. Unless you force appreciation by boosting a property's cash flow, gratitude can be unexpected. The only way to be sure that you will make money from your real estate deal is to make money every month. Number 3. Write offers with terms you can afford. What type of transaction can you make with the money you have today? Is it necessary for the seller to generate a portion of your down payment? Or do you require a land contract? Begin drafting offers for a deal you can complete, whatever that deal is. Perseverance is the key to success. If you write enough proposals, someone will eventually accept one of them. Suppose you can find a real estate agent who can detect a solid investment opportunity. In that case, they can assist you in finding suitable homes and guide you through the offer process. The most important thing you can do if you want to become a great real estate investor is to be patient and persistent, says Scott Gillespie, a real estate developer and founder of the Gillespie Company. When asked about his personal experience, Gillespie expressed his gratitude by saying, "My first initiative took a long time to get off the ground. It wasn't a simple task. I had to keep working on it every day until it came together." If you have little to no money to begin with, a hard money lender may be willing to work with you. Many banks will not allow the seller to finance any down payment, and those that will limit how much they will invest. Hard money lenders are usually unconcerned about the source of the down payment as long as the loan is secured by a first position mortgage. Although hard money loans have a higher interest rate, as long as your deal generates positive cash flow, you're on your way to being a real estate millionaire. Number 2, set your goals and make a plan to become a millionaire in real estate. It's time to set your goals and make a plan now that you know how different real estate investing tactics function. You'll never know what you're working towards unless you have a particular goal in mind and a strategy. When setting your real estate goals, you must go beyond merely stating that you want to acquire real estate and become a millionaire. Make a list of what you want, the motivation for your desire, how it will affect your life once you have it, when are you going to commit to accomplishing your goals, how you intend to go about it. Your goals should also be split down into milestones. Set modest goals to help you get closer to your larger objectives. Decide what you need to accomplish each day to get closer to your destination. You must create a real estate investing plan like a new firm must create a business plan. Your current circumstances will determine which method will work best for you. Suppose you're starting off with little money. In that case, you'll need to take a different approach than if you already had enough money to acquire an apartment. And number 1, learn about real estate investing. Before you get into real estate investing, you should educate yourself on the many investments and tactics available. Learn about what it takes to manage a home, how taxes work, and how to get a loan. Learn about real estate's 4 wealth generators and how you may profit from each. The following are the 4 wealth generators: the cash flow, tax advantages, equity, and appreciation. Understanding how each of these functions will help you increase your real estate profits will help you improve your real estate profits. There are numerous publications and tools available to help you learn how to invest in real estate. It's also a good idea to get advice from other investors. Just make sure you're getting it from a reputable source. It's much better if you can find a mentor. It is not difficult to become a millionaire in real estate. It's not a quick goal to achieve either. Expect it to take time, but know that you can make it happen. Getting the correct information, setting up a plan, and sticking to your goal to become a millionaire in real estate are all essential parts of real estate investing success. If you're seeking a quick method to make some money, real estate investing is exactly what you're looking for. That's it for today. So what are your thoughts about investing in real estate? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to hear from us again, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to our channel before you go. As always, thanks for watching.